Meaning of excavator.
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 Excavator. An excavator is a heavy-duty construction machine used for digging and excavation tasks. It typically consists of a cab, a boom, a stick, and a bucket that can be fitted with different attachments for various purposes. The machine is designed to be highly efficient and precise in its movements, allowing it to tackle even the toughest digging and earth-moving challenges. With its powerful hydraulic systems, an excavator can move massive amounts of soil, rocks, and debris quickly and effectively, making it an indispensable tool for large-scale construction projects.